What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we're checking out the brand new Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. This is Huawei's latest premium fitness smartwatch with a super bright AMOLED display, titanium bezel, sapphire glass and advanced health tracking with NFC payments and up to 10 days of battery life. That's some of the features with this smartwatch. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As always, put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts, and as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notifications to upload any video. You'll actually be notified. I have done a few other Huawei products as well, including the Huawei Fit 4 Pro, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check out my Allsortzz channel. And if you want to see any other videos with this smartwatch, like a comparison or the best features you can get with this watch, then let me know in the comment sections below. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the box, then we'll take a look at what we'll get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the smartwatch, then we'll take a look at some specifications and features, and then we'll take a look at the operating system, connect it to my phone to see what this Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is like. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have it. Now this comes in 3 different colors. I opted for the black version because I'm going to be using this myself and doing some other videos with it, including a battery test and using it for 10 days straight, because this actually says it has a battery life of up to 10 days. So we're going to see what it's like in the quality and the battery life. But in today's video, we'll just do unboxing reviews. So on the back, you've actually got a bit more information about it, and here is the QR code to download the app. You can actually use it on iPhones and Androids as well, but you get more features when you got a Huawei phone, I've heard. Here is the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. It has a 1.92-inch AMOLED display. The resolution is 480 x 408. The brightness is up to 3000 nits as well. It's got a 2.5D sapphire glass, aluminium body with titanium alloy bezels. It weighs approximately 30.4 grams. The battery life is up to 10 days. So we'll have to make sure we try that out. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment sections below. It is wireless charging, water resistant, 5 ATM plus IP6X, up to 40 meters free diving, not driving, dual band GNSS, Bluetooth 6.0 plus NFC as well. You can actually use this with any Android and iPhone smartphones. The sensors it's got is a heart rate, ECG, SpO2, temperature sensor, barometer and a depth sensor as well. So much features packed into this small Pro smartwatch. Okay, let's switch it on and let's see what this watch is about. So as you can see here, you've got your crown, which is embedded with the Huawei logo. You've got your, I'm sure that's a power button with your mics and speakers. So let's push in the bottom button to see if we switch it on this way, or could it be the crown? Nope, it must be the crown. Pushing in the crown, and there we go. So the crown is the power button on this Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. But overall, it looks really nice. It's not really chunky as well. With some smartwatches, you get a really chunky. I like the design, the oval design. I'm not too good with the circular ones. I like this kind of design. So let's press English. I'll go back. So scan the QR code and download Huawei Health on your phone, then add device. I've already got the Huawei app already downloaded because I have done a few other smartwatches by Huawei. So let's press next. We'll go next there, agree with that, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Allow notifications, yes. So let's go devices, add a device, and you have to log in. Okay, so you have to sign in and make sure you've got an account with the Huawei before you can actually access the features on the app. So let's add a device, turn my Bluetooth on. It'd be good if we did that. Yeah, turn Bluetooth on, go back to our device. Watch Fit 5 Pro, let's press connect, pairing. And we've got a vibrate, pairing request, iPhone 17 Pro, okay. We'll pair it on the watch and the phone. Receive notifications, why not? Pairing, it's just terms of use, enhanced services, fall detection, okay. Pairing successful. So system requirements, incoming calls, check weather information. So as you can see here, it's paired, auto download over Wi-Fi, auto install, and yeah, when not used, we'll click that, and there we go. Claim 3 months of Huawei Health Plus and access exclusive benefits. We'll take that off at the moment. Just before we take a look at the smartwatch itself, let's see what we can actually do on the app. So as you can see here, the watch is connected, Watch Fit 5 Pro. Clicking the watch doesn't do anything. So watch faces, you can actually add your custom watch faces on, and you can actually use whatever's in the Huawei store as well. Okay, look at all that, there's loads, VIP, mine, and all that stuff. Let's go back. So my faces, these are the ones that you actually put onto your watch. You've got notifications enabled, app gallery, we'll cancel that, offline maps, find device, music, alarm, weather reports, health monitoring, ECG as well, because this has got an ECG reader on the watch, pulse wave analysis, stiffness detection, sleep, breathing awareness, device settings. That's the watch information, and yeah, you can actually do a lot of things when it comes to the app. So you got VIP section, exercise, health section. So all the information gets synced straight from the smartwatch to your smartphone, and you can add your own information here as well. So that's what you actually get in the app once you've connected it and made an account. Let's check out the smartwatch itself. So swipe right to return. Press next, double press the crown to open the latest tasks, rotate the crown to navigate, so it does work with the crown, and press crown and down buttons together to take a screenshot. Oh, so you can take a screenshot on here as well. Wow, that's good. And there we have it, look at that. Look at the bezels, really nice screen to body ratio. Let's hold it in, swipe up to delete a watch face. Okay, so let's see what watch faces already installed on here. So you got weight loss one, that's a good one actually. So basically you put your weight in and it actually stayed at the top, so that's a good one to have, to be honest. But you got to set that up in settings. So you've got weight loss, cute dogs, pet window, you've got cucumber, bubble aura, color manifesto, between the halos and pulse, gallery, video, and sticker phone. So you can actually add a video when it comes to the watch face as well, and it changes when you want to as well. Wow, look at that, really nice, very nice screen to body ratio. So let's swipe it down, and you've got your auto brightness, your screen on time, your settings. If this is the play sound, swipe back does work, alarm, focus mode, and torch. I have no idea why torch doesn't do anything, to be honest. You can edit it and add some more in as well, plus more. So you can add your own stuff in, which is nice to know that you can actually do that. Swipe it to the right, does like smart assistant. Swipe it to the left, bring up your app shortcuts as well. Let's go back to the main screen. Swiping it up will bring up your notifications. So have a drink on us. That's from my you know where. So let's push in the crown and double tap the crown. Oh wait. Can you change that? No. So you probably will be able to change it in settings. So let's go into settings. You got your Bluetooth, some more connections, health and fitness and NFC, watch face and home. Watch face, display tasks, home. You can actually choose a list one, which we're going to do now. So you can choose two of them: display and brightness, always on display, tap to wake, raise to wake, brightness, auto adjust. You've got let's go back. You got golf. Where do I go with these ones? Also, yeah, it's we've changed it into the list view, and here are the activities and apps you can actually do: heart rate, ECG, pulse wave. Now with these ones let me just show you the heart rate ones. With these ones I will actually do a shorts video and show you what they are like. I'll agree to that. So I'll show you what these are like when it comes to the heart rate and the health apps, to see how good they are. So just let's see if it actually figures out a heart rate on this bit of, I won't say plastic, but a paper bit that you'd get with the box. It's not actually showing a reading, but we'll check that out later in the shorts video. So SpO2, heart altitude, skin temperature, sleep, breathing awareness, health clovers, breathing, phone contacts. Crown does work as well, weather, calendar, alarm, timer, stopwatch, compass, barometer, recorder, find phone, and settings. So settings we've already checked out, the notifications. You've got a pin code as well, permission manager, workout maps, down button. You can choose how you want that. Press once for workout and press twice for payments, NFCs, emergency SOS, workout settings. You got, well, when you do your workout settings, you can have always on if you want to. System on updates, which we need to update our software. 24% it's receiving, and that is about it. Loads of features when it comes to this Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. I will do a fitness test to see what the battery life is like, and also using the health apps as well to see what this watch is like. So if you want to see any other videos with this smartwatch, please let me know in the comment sections below. Overall, it's a really nice smartwatch, and I can't wait to use it. And yeah, overall not bad for the price, but we'll see what it's like when it comes to using the smartwatch. It's all right with the looks wise, but using it is a different story. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro unboxing and review. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.